Welcome to this clear and detailed explanation on how to save your file in PowerPoint. In this guide, we will walk through every step of the process to ensure that you can confidently save a copy of your presentation. The instructions provided are simple and straightforward. All you need is to have your PowerPoint application open on your computer and then follow the described process smoothly. Begin by making sure that your PowerPoint application is open. At this point, locate the presentation that you want to save as a new copy. It is important to be in the correct presentation file because you are about to work with its content and settings. You want to avoid any confusion with having multiple files open at once. Once you have your presentation on your screen, take a moment to ensure that all your content is up to date. Saving your file regularly is a good habit that can help safeguard your work. Next, the focus moves to navigating the interface. With your presentation open, direct your attention to the tabs located at the top of the window. Find the tab labeled File. This is the starting point for a variety of commands and functions related to saving, printing, sharing, and more. The File tab is intuitively organized so that you can quickly identify and select the appropriate actions you wish to take on your document. After clicking on the File tab, a menu will appear with several options. In this menu, look for an option that allows you to save a copy of your file. You will notice there is a command labeled Save a Copy. Selecting this command is an important part of creating a backup or a new version of your file with a different name. By making a copy, you ensure that the original file remains intact. This is particularly handy when you want to try new design ideas without altering your primary presentation. Continuing on, you will now see the option for saving the file on your computer. When prompted, choose the option that reads "This PC." This step directs PowerPoint to store the file on your personal computer rather than on any cloud storage or external drive. It is a clear instruction that your file will be saved locally for immediate access and editing in the future. Once you have chosen to save the file on your computer, it is time to think about the name of your new file. An appropriate file name is essential for keeping your documents organized, especially if you have many presentations saved on your system. Carefully type in the file name you want to use. Make sure that the name is both descriptive and memorable so that you can easily find it later in your file explorer. With the file name typed in and confirmed, the final step is simply to click on Save. This act commits all your previous specifications, including the location and name of the file, ensuring that you have just created a newly saved copy of your PowerPoint presentation. Once you click Save, your file is securely stored on your computer, ready for future reference or further editing. Following these clear and concise instructions will help you efficiently save a copy of your file in PowerPoint. This process safeguards your work and makes managing multiple versions of your presentations much simpler. Enjoy the benefits of better file organization and the added security knowing that your work is properly saved on your computer.